Breathe better and sleep deeper with the Levoit Classic 160 Top Fill Humidifier. Don't wait. Check out the link in the video description to get your Levoit Top Fill Humidifier on Amazon today and enjoy a healthier, more comfortable home. Welcome back to Bitcoin Bulletin. I'm your host. Big news just broke in Washington, as US President Donald Trump signed an executive order charging the Treasury and Commerce Departments with creating a sovereign wealth fund. That's right, folks. We're talking about a government-backed investment vehicle that could potentially hold assets like Bitcoin. Now, let's dive into what this means for the crypto market. The fact that Commerce Secretary nominee Howard Lutnick, who's been a vocal supporter of the sector, was at the signing ceremony suggests that this fund could be a game changer for institutional investors. And with Trump himself expressing interest in crypto, it seems like we're on the cusp of a major shift. According to reports, Bitcoin rose modestly to $99,600 following the news. That's a pretty significant move, and it's worth noting that Lutnick has been open about his own personal exposure to Bitcoin. He's even talked about how Cantor Fitzgerald, the bond trading powerhouse he oversees, is working with stablecoin giant Tether to manage government paper holdings. Now, while the executive order itself doesn't mention Bitcoin specifically, a sovereign wealth fund could be used as a vehicle for buying and holding crypto assets. This raises all sorts of questions about regulation and oversight. But one thing's for sure, this development has the potential to send shockwaves through the market. So what does this mean for us? Well, for Bitcoin bulls like myself, it's a potentially huge positive. But for anyone who's new to the space, it's worth taking a step back and understanding just how big of a deal this is. A government-backed sovereign wealth fund could bring some much-needed legitimacy and stability to the crypto market. I'll be keeping a close eye on this development, folks. And I'll make sure to bring you all the latest updates as we learn more about what's going down in Washington. Thanks for tuning in to Bitcoin Bulletin. I'm your host, Steven, and I'll see you in the next video.